All right, so I'm gonna show you how to peel a potato with a knife. Just basic knife skill. So what you're gonna do is you're going to take your knife like this. You're gonna put your finger right on the base right there. And then with your thumb, you're going to place it on the bottom of your item you're trying to cut, and then you're going to just run it like that. Just slowly force the knife through the vegetable, and slow and controlled all the way to your thumb, just like that. Very easy. So you don't really need a vegetable peeler to peel things. Okay, hope this helps.